Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel where you get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel. Now this evening we are heading up by Mass Nevi and we dressed like this because it has been raining a lot. So we are wearing the raincoats just in case the rain come down hard again, we'll be fine. Alright, so but please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. Alright, so you might be wondering why we're going to Mass Nevi this evening. It's actually after
5:25.
Oh yeah, it's actually 5:25. So Mass Nevi would have called us yesterday. He got someone to call us to let us know that he has run out of cooking gas. So we did promise him that we would come yesterday, but yesterday it was raining heavily and we were very busy. We were out of his area as a matter of fact. So it was very difficult and so we did not get to visit him. We tried today, however the gentleman who sells the gas was not available and so we had to push it back to this evening. So we are heading to him while the gentleman is on his way with the gas, so we are gonna just walk. He did say that he's okay with food because I did ask him, but he says, you know, no food are the problem, we just don't have no gas because it has been raining continuously. So it's hard for Mass Nevi to go down to the kitchen and to, you know, use the wood fire, and then it would be hard for him to get the wood as well. So we say, you know, let's go this evening. So okay, so that's the mission that we are on this evening, and so we're hoping to get there before the rain comes. I don't know if it will come again. It's late evening, but it has been raining on and off for most of the day. So we're in water boot, raincoat, and the works. All right. You wash off your water boot.
You wash off already.
So I'm back here.
Good already.
I'll jump on it. Wow.
Night I get you if you come back now.
Night, yeah. So
you have light?
I have my phone, so I can use it as a flashlight.
I have my light, I'm have
Oh, guys, please forgive us if the lighting is not good because we are not using a camera like we usually do. This evening we're using our phone because it's easier to manipulate at this time of the evening, especially with the rain, and we wanted to do it quickly. So I do hope that the lighting is good.
Well, it's not dark now, see it?
Yeah. So we're here and we're wondering if Mass Nevi got a hot meal since yesterday. The only way he could have gotten it unless someone brought it to him, or else, or maybe, I don't know, him got some wood or something, Marcel.
Everything wet.
So I doubt it, but we'll see when we get there.
Pure water run.
Huh?
I say pure water run, everything wet up.
Hello, hi. I ask if you're not tired enough.
So we are trying to make it faster, huh?
I know.
God.
Yes. I know we'll sleep better. I know we'll sleep better just knowing that Mass Nevi have the gas, because you know yesterday how him sound distressed to say you know I really would need the gas because it's really difficult to get the wood and so on. So at least if him have this, him can cook and all of that.
Yeah.
Yep. Wow.
Raincoat hot, you know?
Yeah, it's hot, yes. Maybe one tie around the waist. You could try that.
And a sweater. So yes, yeah, draw back.
Who, me?
Come up. Now lift your back at night.
I ask if who me, like who else?
Hmm?
For me? I say who me?
You like I know me and you. Good exercise in the evening. You know, say you're not exercise.
Otherwise. It has been a while. For true. I was hoping that we'd see Ziggy already. But
It's all rich.
huh?
It's all rich.
Yeah.
One thing me sure say. Him not reach it.
Unless him come the other way, which I highly doubt.
Another way them a come. What time? Mass Nevi gone in bed, you know?
Maybe because him say when 5 o'clock come, him go in bed.
I'm about to take him off and roast.
I hear a vehicle, you hear it?
Your music, do you hear it?
Remember these roads don't have no street lights?
Not all now.
So we have to hurry up.
Only thing they up there, I post them.
We can't stay with Mass Nevi long. We can only drop off the gas and then just leave.
Cooking food, come on. Eat dinner.
No, you're good for it, you know, as well.
I'm not cooking at night, you know.
You think?
I'm not going to cook. So I'm going in bed. Rain a come back? Sweater drop on me.
Huh, who you?
See rain there?
Where? Oh,
Looking at
you sit
water.
in the water.
Alright. So I tell lie upon myself and I don't sweat. Yeah, sweat, yes.
Because you have on the raincoat too, you probably think of that.
Which party I go out this
Right
time?
over there, so.
Same place.
Well, you never feel it.
At your place?
Yep. We have on water boats, so I guess we can walk down there, but still alright.
Watch your step.
Yeah.
Pure mud up there. Pure mud.
Almost there.
Yeah.
Whew. Praise Jesus.
One thing me sure say,
What?
you not see Mass Nevi I come out and go shop now.
Never. Never. You'd have never seen this. Oh, I leave. Okay.
Something
Good
come?
timing. It sounds like the gas delivery. Sound that way to me.
Yeah, here gas delivery in the sky there.
I turned that road.
Oh, plane.
Oh.
Walk right there, so. Reach quicker.
Shortcut, man.
Mass Nevi lock up, you know?
Here ya.
Oh, you're here. I just a talk about you and you hear me? Yeah? Lord Jesus.
Mass Nevi.
Mass Nevi, me say you're gone to your bed.
Mass Nevi.
Oh, you're dark, so. Yeah? You like to come on it? You have to turn on for me light. To see you.
Yes, man.
What go on? Lord Jesus.
But you say me lady, not tell say you buy some things to me, man. Buy some biscuit and
Yeah, he told you.
yes, man. But you must know what go on.
Oh Lord, we prepare. I saw it go, you know. Holy Spirit, do it.
Yes, man. I tell you, man.
Yeah.
I tell you.
So you're managing the weather, yeah?
I biscuit, man, so on.
A biscuit. So you not cook yesterday?
No, man.
Oh. We really did try to come yesterday, but because you see when we spoke in the morning, we were heading out.
Hey, come on, tell you, no?
How are you?
We have on raincoat.
You don't say red that you here for your zinc.
Yes, man.
Oh,
Yes, so we couldn't come Mass Nevi, and we tried to come earlier today too, but the delivery man.
I look for the stuff up. You see the rain.
You know, look for we, can you see rain?
Yes, man. But since mommy did, you go out to the
Oh, you got on your kitchen this morning? Oh, yeah, come in look a bit.
Yes, man. Come in.
So what you cook this morning? Put this on.
You get one piece, some chicken foot.
Hold on me. Whoa. You get some chicken foot?
Yes, man.
Oh, so you make soup?
Yes, man. For me get the noodle, me never use none.
Oh, so yes.
Yeah, before I couldn't get no yam.
So where you get wood to make fire?
He brother, he come here, see them, I tell him.
Okay, good.
And he pick up some wood and put in the kitchen.
Yes.
Yeah.
All right, so we ordered the gas, but it's just that we reach up here before him.
Yes, sir.
So he'll probably soon come.
How come Ziggy?
Yes, Ziggy. But I know when we talked yesterday, you say, you know,
Yes,
short on food this time, I really the gas. But we just walk with something because like how we come now,
Yeah.
we're not sure when we are come again.
Back again. For
Yes.
I be rain, what me say? Last year, then tell me I dry. You could have, if you light anyway, man.
Yes.
The whole place burned down.
right, same thing. I say first year when I was water.
Yeah, because we usually have to buy water, but this year, you know, we have water all the time.
Me I tell you.
Yeah, Mass Nevi said we bring some things here.
Yes, ma'am.
Take them.
Yeah.
We bring your peas and sugar.
Yeah.
Come up more. Peas and sugar.
Just me happy there still.
Yeah, peas.
Yeah, too much.
You know me have to do the peas them. Soak them.
Oh yeah, if you soak
We can't
it.
pick one stove, you know. Sunday me cook. How will you cook Sunday?
Yeah.
And in the kitchen you go down there go cook it.
Okay.
When we get the chicken.
Okay. So come again. See, we have flour here. Come right up. Yes. We can carry something else.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and see, I have basmati rice. I have to say thanks to our donor.
Yes, ma'am. God bless them.
Yes, man.
Happy Christmas to them.
Yes, God bless you. She wishes to remain anonymous.
Yes, ma'am.
So,
Get your Christmas, not yet, you know.
No, sir.
This is just the brush.
Brush.
yes, and come back again, Mass Nevi.
No, our Christmas tree put up.
I like it, you know. But me have one Christmas tree, they wouldn't cut it down.
And two, so you have two cornmeal there. That's from our donor as well.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. And we bring you tin mackerel.
Yeah.
You want to go on and come back?
Yeah.
Make no kick no bar.
Yeah.
Exercise,
Keep
man.
up on my back and it hard to take off.
Yes, man. Yeah, man. And the Ziggy how comes sir?
Yes, man, he's coming. Me just call him.
Yeah.
So it's just that we reach before him.
Oh yeah.
You like, come on now, man.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
This light up.
Never ready yet. Yes.
But you have enough light that, man.
Oh, wait, tell me go feel light in the whole light up.
Light up the whole place.
Yes, it bright man. At least on hot too, you know.
Yeah, you shut off early, not you?
Yes, you see this one hot? And it turn on?
We go all night.
Yes, man, and it bright.
Yes.
Bright.
Yeah, try to figure out. Oh, yeah. That sounds like him.
Come back here.
Man, God bless them people, man.
Sound that way.
And God bless you to brother God when you find me.
Yes.
Man, I don't know what I'm on.
Oh, Lord.
We find you, yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Man.
Mass Nevi, they gone to bed?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh. But that vehicle coming from that way, so you would have ride that way?
Yes, I can ride that way there too.
But that not sound like bike.
I know.
Sound like a car, eh?
Yeah, bike like.
I can't figure out where I'm here, but we soon shall see.
Bike. You know car can come on us now?
No. Yes, man, they come on. That's the before all this brother place was Zeb.
No, but vehicle tall.
Zeb? Oh, yes, it look.
One Honda CRV you have a tall up.
Yes.
Up the road you driving on you ride up so.
Yeah.
Hear me.
I made a figure I wouldn't come this way, but
Yes, I be. You know, say I be the better.
yeah.
Yes.
No partner better for it.
Hey, finally.
Oh, you reach?
Man. Oh God, you can't say that again, brother. Me tell Miss Lina, you know.
Huh?
At the worst place out there, so, you know.
The worst place out there, so where we walk come.
Yes, man.
You come from around, so.
We try that way too, but the car struggle a lot.
Let me tell you, say, right now, if you don't get one of them Jeep there, and Likkle Vitar. No, Vitar, what they name?
Yeah, Jimmy.
Jimmy there.
Yeah.
Man,
You never come in.
God bless you,
Maybe you
no.
have to go get something put this up.
God bless you, no, brother. Yes, brother. Oh, God bless you, no, for you know it
Set him
go.
up and come, General. Because we have one water boat in our community.
You can see around there, Ziggy? You see around there? Or the light shine?
Maybe I want bright light around there.
Okay, good.
Bless you, brother, for you know how it go.
I want one outside, you know. I'm going to get one outside too.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah.
Then like it be fun.
Yes. Yes.
You say sound like maybe only light months?
The solar. Oh, the stove, you light?
Yeah. One click on the light.
Yes,
Oh, yeah,
man.
man.
You change it already?
No more.
That was quick.
Because rounded. Them down. Turn
Yeah.
down. Sometimes the splitter will give you a little trouble.
Oh, okay.
Man. Why you see Ziggy coming out this weather here?
Boy, God bless you.
Glad to miss you came for Mr. Ken. Glad for.
Me just tell
Me how was it?
We appreciate it, man.
Take care of yourself.
No, not leave it. We need to pay you.
Like, no, you're free.
Put me hungry,
Yo.
kill me, man.
Oh, how much did it say?
CM36.
3.6.
Yes. You give back change, right? Yes, man.
It's alright, man. Go on, cause you're coming at the your Christmas gift, so if I not give nothing for Christmas, you can't say nothing.
Alright, thank you very much.
Alright, you're welcome. Thanks here. Alright, good. Yeah, we not stay long because we don't want yeah. Mass Nevi,
Yes, ma'am.
we'll leave you now, you know.
Yes, ma'am.
So just so I know say you're alright.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
You lonely?
Me?
Yeah.
No, man.
So I tell you for go ahead.
No, sir.
The radio start work now?
Well,
The radio start working?
the radio? No, sir.
Oh,
No, me want a radio for holiday. Yes, man. If I make a battery radio, man, I keep me company, you know.
cause Marcel asked if you're lonely, that's why I ask.
You me no radio. So I better can get a battery radio for me.
Make we see how you go now.
We
Yes, but in the holiday, you know. come
right.
like hear Christmas carol. And all that
Yes.
thing there.
Okay.
I'm like hear news too. You don't know nothing what go on.
Okay. All right. No problem.
Yes.
All right, Mass Nevi, we're going to leave now. You here? So you take care until we see you again.
Yes.
Yeah, cook tonight.
No, me not tell you me cook.
He cooks chicken food
Oh,
this
down the
evening.
side.
Yes, sir. me cook.
Right.
I better they come and look at the wood for me also.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So this is your individual for today. Thanks so much for always
thanks to you too,
supporting.
man. Yes, man.
Yes, and thanks for,
Man.
just supporting the work that we do.
Man, God.
All right. So until next time.
Come nice weather here. God. Really good.
All right, Mass Nevi. So until next time, everyone.
Yes, man.
Blessed love. Stay safe. Thanks for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love and bye-bye.
Yeah.
All right, Mass Nevi, we now left your mic on your tonight.
Oh.
Hear him, oh.
You see you?
Hear him, oh.
What you are going
That's a thing now, because Mass Nevi say, look, wait, when you no come back, me not tell you no.
No, but I will tell you what this is. For me, no, say, I don't know what
Yeah, so you could make we left, not true?
God bless you, no missus.
Yes, man.
Come down to water, you have to run here, so.
Yeah.
If I be anywhere else.
Yes.
But run here, so.
I know it's hard, but from your call,
Yes,
and we can't make it, we are going to come.
God. I mean, I consider, say, boy, I mean, nothing you can make if you tell all tomorrow for tomorrow,
No, we
Friday.
don't want to have you stranded for so long.
Yeah, we don't think about it, because from yesterday to today.
Yes, man.
Because
But I couldn't boil no tea. If I boil little tea, that better for me, no?
Yes.
Yeah.
I don't get nothing and boil little tea.
Yeah.
Good for me. Yes, man.
All right, Mass Nevi. Blessed love, we're going to run now.
Yes.
Take care of yourself here, Daddy.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes, man. God bless. Huh?
Yes,
Yeah.
man.
Cool. Lock up now. Stay more in the lock. Lock up? All right.
All right, guys, so we're heading back. We have our light. We have to use this because it's dark
You see
now.
two more in my bag?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let me check.
Them in
That's
them,
the
them
axe.
half in there.
Look how many take out one next one. Oh yeah, they're there. All right, so this is our light because this street don't have on any street lights, so this is what we have to be
You
using.
need to put them on the post.
Not true.
Then we'll come back, we have light.
So we have to try and get out of this area as quickly as possible. Yep.
Not dark.
Well, you know, dark, but it's
Right now, you
dark.
could have saved a little light till we reach on this one.
You want to do that? Let me see what it looks like. You see that?
Dark?
No, Moss.
So I said, them I go to live.
Probably somebody soon can get them. See, I have a new road. Yeah.
I walk on your road now. Look at that.
I don't know, but
Plastic.
yeah. Oh,
Go on in front. You see what I go on in there now. Left your back.
night, yeah.
Yeah. This body. For night, you see light a shine out as I do.
Yes,
So
one
I
out
like
here.
it for the house.
It's dark, but it's not that dark, so we can't see where we go. We can't turn this off.
You not turn off it?
I have to check it out first and see.
You turn on it out this one, better just one in this one.
Alright guys, so this is it. This is where we say bye-bye and see you next time. Be safe. Blessed love.
Blessed love. Mass Nevi, that's a blessed love.
Alright everyone.
So we are going to run down the hill now.
Yeah, man. Right now.
Right now. Tell when you're ready.
Already. Alright, everyone. So until next time, just want to say thanks to our donors. Thanks for your continuous support. Thanks for your love. And until next time, this is where we end. What?
It's dark. So I get darker now. Yeah. Jesus.
You can't walk and look up one time and then you have to look down.
Don't have to look.
If you ever look up, you're down there.
Can't look up, I have to stop. Hardly can see you. Yeah, to meditate.
Yeah, focus. So we almost drop. That's a frog. Oh, we never returned the call. Oh, wow. Did not remember. Alright, everyone. Thanks so much for joining with us. And thank you for your continued support of the work that we do. Without you and without the help of God, none of this would be possible. So we are immensely grateful. So until next time, thanks so much for making it a Likkle Everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.